Good morning, dear students. Today I will make a video on how to register the TCS NQT, that is for your campus purpose. Okay, this will be the screen you are saving. That is your I'm sharing. That will be appear for you people. The register date is 17th October 2020. Now today date is 13. Still 4 days are there. If you have any queries, you can contact me. Just click on here, click to register. Click to register. After click to register, you will get some windows which may not appear. I will stop the screen. The screen will be appear like this. Here register now is there. You need to click on register now. The window comes like this. The windows come like this. Okay, here we need to click on create new. Create new here. After create new, the thing will appear like this. The thing will appear like this. Okay, wait for a while. Wait for a while. When you click on the register, here it will come like this. Okay, what do you need to do here? Your full name in cap letter. I will place name here Raghavendra S. Kulkarni. Raghavendra S. Kulkarni. Okay, your email ID. I will put my email ID here. Raghu Kulkarni 78884 at gmail.com. At gmail.com, I'm going to put password. See, in case of password, you need to have a caps letter. I'll put R as a capital, R as a capital, all small letter, Raghu at in the sense at symbol will be there. Okay, at 1 2 3 I'm going to put. Okay, here I missed at. Okay, this is what we call it as at, this symbol. Here what I put in password, R capital, RAGHU, then at 1 2 3. Same password will be retyped here. R capital AGHU at 1 2 3. Okay, put your phone number 799635201 4. I will put my number 6352014. This is my number. Here you need to press on validate number. Validate number. A OTP will be generated and send it to my mobile. ಒಂದು ಈ OTP ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ I received my OTP, that is 4497. Okay, validate OTP. Now it is OTP is verified. Here it will state. Okay, here captcha is there. You need to enter the captcha. 6 I entered. A 7 R B 2 6. So here after this, by creating your account, you accept TCS Iono Digital Learning Hub. Okay, ಇದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, after clicking on that, you will get notification like this. You need to press I have accepted policy. I have accepted the terms of use. I have read and I have accepted all the three. After that, okay, you need to press. Okay, you need to press. After checking that, this will be come like this. Checkbox will be appear like this. Now you need to press create account. Okay, after completing the session, that is registration, the screen will appear like this. The screen will appear like this. Welcome Raghavendra, enter below details containing continue using your account. Kulkarni last name, first name Raghavendra, select the state. State you need to select. Select state. Okay, mine is Karnataka. I'll select as a Karnataka. Okay, I'll press the continue. After that, we'll get a screen like. After that, the screen will be appear like this. The personal details already they are filled as Raghavendra Kulkarni, my email ID, and here I need to select my date of birth. So date of birth of mine is 13. Here you need to press like this. Here I born in 1994. I'll select 1994 here. 1994 in the September 13. 13th September 1994 is my date of birth. You need to select your date of birth. Okay, select residing state. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನೀಗ, that is I am in a Karnataka. I'll select the state Karnataka. Karnataka state. Okay, select city Bagalkot, Bidar, Belgaum, Ballari, Bidar, Bijapur. I will generate OTP once again. You need to generate a OTP once again. Generate OTP. Okay, after generate OTP, click. You will receive a captcha like this. You need to enter once again K2CSJ32. Submit it. Okay. After that, you will receive the screen like kindly use OTP received on your mobile number or email. Okay, I'll press OK. Here, enter OTP is there. I need to enter OTP. I received OTP as 856 856 856 582. Validate OTP. OTP has been validated successfully. Okay, we need to press. Now you need to scroll down. Your education detail will be there. Your education detail will be there. Graduation degree. I will select as master, that is MSc. I completed my MSc. You are completing your BCA now. Okay. Bachelor of Degrees. Okay. BCA will be there. Bachelor of Computer Application will be there. Here it is there. BCA is there. You are completing your BCA, but I have completed my MSc. Okay. You need to select Bachelor of Computer Application. Here you need to select like this. But I am going to select my MSc. Select the graduation. I will select my graduation. Master of Computer Application, MBA, MSc. Okay, Master of Science, MSc is there. I'll select it. Master of Science. Graduation batch and specifications. Here, nimdenidas computer science you need to select. Bachelor of Computer Application you need to select. Then computer science you need to select. Computer science. Okay, passing year. ನಂದು MSc ಇತ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ದು BCA ಅದ, BCA ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. 2018 have passed. 2018 in the month of July. In the month of July. Okay. Institute name. Here you are going to get a struck here. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆನ್ 3 buttons. On 3 buttons. Okay, After that you will get, like this. Okay, search institute. Don't put Vedant BCN become college here. Okay, don't put Vedant BCN become college here. You cannot find it. Institute state, ಎಲ್ಲದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ, ಯಾವ ಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್? ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್ಚ್. After search, will appear, the screen will appear like this. Okay, after pressing this one, here it is there. Okay, these are the available institutes, as you know that BLD Polytechnic, BLD's Dr. Halakatti College Engineering, S Patil, BLD's College of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic College. ಇವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ನಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ. Okay, my institute is also not there. I'll press 2. After pressing that, you will get screen like this. There again BLD's College of Engineering is there, Karnataka Women State, TM Patel. So here my institute name is not there, and yours also, Vedant is not there. So you need to click on others. If you click on others, the screen will be like this. Here other is there. Enter your institute name, enter other institute name ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, mine is SB Arts and KCP Science College. Yours is Vedant. You are going to like that, Vedant BCA and BCom College. You need to press like this. Okay, BCom College, you need to press like this, but I'm going to type it as SB Arts and KCP Science. Here others you need to select. Here, enter other institute name, KCP Science College. Hope you clear with this one. Here there is no problem. You are getting like this. You need to select other, then you need to select your institute name. Here you need to press Vedant BC and BCom College. Lakshirli nandada ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ SB Arts and KCP Science College ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Okay, it is mine. I'm showing example. Okay, here you need to press Vedant BC and BCom College. After that, scroll down the screen. The details will be like this. Programming will be there, 1 hour. Information technology, if you put a big BCom also there. Okay, it is IT, purely IT. For BCom students it is not there, I think so, because programming is there. The duration will be 1 hour. In the test name, test ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ programming ಇರುತ್ತೆ 1 hour. Information technology, details of the test, what you need to write or what you need to prepare, that is pseudocode, algorithms, programming construct, basic software development life cycles. It will become in a SC. Okay, implement using C, C++, Java. 10 questions irtav, 10 question irtav on this part A. Part B, select from C, C++, Java, Python, Perl, hands-on exercise 1 question, 15 marks, and hands-on exercise 2, 1 question, 13 marks. Okay, 13 minutes. Part B and part purely here your technical skill will be checked. Okay, please remember that you need to be very particular about your technical here. Okay, here you need to select a center. You need to press in center. I'm going to select online in the sense you need to be sit on home, as I'm sitting in front of the PC. Then you need to write a examination. In center in the sense particularly they are going to provide a center. In center, if you press like this, it will be appear. Select state and select city preference. Wait for a while, I'll show you. Okay, choose in center, don't choose the online because ನಿಮಗೆ ವೆಬ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಐತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಬರಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಬ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಐತಿ. ಇನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. I will select Karnataka. Okay, in Karnataka, the centers are ಯಾವ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟ್, ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಮೈಸೂರು, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ತುಮಕೂರು. Select the nearest place to you people. Because of COVID, you need to select a nearest place. Okay, select as Bagalkot or Hubli. There is option Bagalkot or Hubli, or you can select a Belgaum also. Okay, I'm going to select a Bagalkot according to my preference. Okay, after this, click here to upload the photo. Click here to upload the photo. I will upload a photo now. Okay, I will upload my photo. You need to apply your photo. Okay, you need to upload your photo. Wait for a while. Okay, I will upload my photo now. Click here to upload. I click on, click here to upload. Here drag and drop option is going to come, or you need to choose the browse the photo. Okay, click on that. Click ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ you will get a path like this. Mine is on desktop only. I will click a desktop. Maybe you may select other folders like this. Okay, the path where you are getting your photo, I will select and new given as a TCS example. I will add TCS example here. Save TCS example JPG, upload it. Okay, after uploading, the photo will be available here. TCS example, my as a name given, file uploaded successfully. Now you need to click on close. Close. Okay, now drag here, drag here. The captcha will be there. You need to collect 2ZCNFCX. You need to select this one. After this, I declare, I understand. Okay, after this, submit. Click on submit. After register, your application form has been submitted successfully. Your TCS NQT number, you need to paste, copy this number, copy this number. You need to copy this number. Okay, copy. You will receive your login credential for that is your registered email or hall ticket for in-center test in the mail ID you have given in the registration form 2 days prior to be dated of test. 2 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಲ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ರೆಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಇವರ್ ಮೇಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಗತ್ತಾನ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇವ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್. I will save it here in the notepad. Okay, or you can take a screenshot of this one and you can save this. Okay, press the close. This is what a registration of TCS NQT. If you are having still any doubts, you can call me at any time. Okay, thank you.